Castle Building and Remodeling's educational home tour is back, showcasing 16 homes, including 2 whole house remodels right next door to each other. Stop by houses 12 and 13 on Richmond Curve to tour virtually every type of remodeling project. Talk with the professional remodelers who worked on these homes. Between these 2 homes, you'll see 2 kitchens, 3 bathrooms, 2 second-story additions, 1 basement, and 1 closet turned minibar. On the tour, you'll also find 4 homes featuring landscaping projects by Field Outdoor Spaces and 2 homes featuring solar projects by All Energy Solar. Each home will educate and inform visitors on real, everyday remodel projects, not just the largest and most expensive. Be sure to pick up your entry pass at the first home you visit and receive a punch from one of our Castle hosts at each stop on the tour. Attendees will have the opportunity to register to win over $20,000 in prizes. One lucky grand prize winner will receive a $5,000 remodeling package from Castle Building and Remodeling. Other prizes include a custom vanity from the Woodshop of Avon with a Cambria countertop from Select Surfaces and a Kohler sink and faucet replacement. There is also a Silestone quartz kitchen countertop replacement from Leon's Countertops, along with $1,000 gift cards from Warner Stallion and All Incorporated. Learn how to plan your remodeling project and make your home your castle at this can't-miss event. Visit castlehometour.com to learn more.